Hi everyone, I hope you're enjoying your home learning so far. Welcome to the first episode of Miss Cullen Makes. So, I saw a great tutorial of how to make an Easter bunny this morning. It's really easy, and so I thought I'd share it with you quickly in case you'd like to have a go at home. Okay, and what you will need for that is you will need some odd socks, about 4 or 5 odd socks. I've chosen black socks, that's just because that's all of the odd socks I had, but you can use any socks. You can use pattern socks, you can use coloured socks, you can use Spider-Man socks, it's up to you, whatever you want to use. So, you also need some googly eyes. If you don't have any googly eyes, then you can just make them out of paper. You'll need some elastic bands, you'll need some glue, you'll need a pen to draw on, you'll need some scissors, and you'll need things to decorate with. So I've got ribbon, I've got pom-poms, and I've also got these nice coloured gems, which I might use later. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to decide on which sock you're going to use. So I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to turn it inside out just because I think the inside is nicer than the outside. It's up to you which way you do it, just choose whichever you think is best. So that'll be the main bit of your sock. Okay, and what you need to do is you take that sock and you need to stuff it with 2 or 3 other socks. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Just move these out of the way. Do that now, so I'm going to take my sock, I'm going to ball up another sock, and I'm going to just squish it in. There we go, that's Cullen knocking things over already. Move that out of the way, there we go. Okay, I'm going to take my other socks, that's 2 socks I'm putting in now. And then I'm going to put in a 3rd sock, just to make it nice and big. Okay, and then I'm just going to shape it, because this is going to be the body of our bunny. Okay, there we go, that's a nice bunny shape. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an elastic band and I'm going to wrap it round the top of the sock. Nice and tightly. Just wrap it around as many times as you need, so I'm probably going to wrap it around one more time, so it stays. Okay, there we go, we've got the body of our Easter bunny. Then the next bit is to make the head. So to do that, we just get our other sock, our last sock, and we just need to do the same again. We need to put it in the top. So I'm going to open it up and I just put it in. There we go. And then I'm just going to shape that. Get my elastic band, wrap it around. Try and make sure it's as tight as you can. Oh, it's broken. Okay, so I'm going to tie that because that's my last elastic band and it's broken. Go use another one. There we go. Okay, so the next bit, now we've got our body and we've got our head. The next bit is to make the ears. Okay, so to do that, can you notice you've got this extra material? We're going to use that and we're going to cut it in half to make the ears. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to get my scissors. Maybe get an adult to help you with this bit. I'm just going to cut down the middle of the socks. Okay, go about halfway if you want quite sharp ears. Go kind of a bit lower down, 2/3 way down if you want floppy ears. Okay, so can you see I've cut that down the middle? And all I'm going to do is I'm going to shape it a little bit to make nice bunny shaped ears. So I'm just going to cut the edges off to make them more ear shaped. Okay, and then that leaves me with a nice Easter bunny shape. Can you see? Okay, then the next bit is the fun bit. Now we're going to add our googly eyes and our decoration. So get some glue, get a googly eye, or get one of the ones you've made quite generously. Put some glue on and just find a good position for your bunny. I'm going to use a flat side, so I'm going to use this side and pop it on. Try and wipe off any excess glue, but don't worry if you do get a little bit around it because it should dry clear. Pop it on, leave it to dry. Get your other one, glue it, pop it on. Okay, don't worry if they're starting to look the wrong way, just makes it more interesting. Okay, so now we've got my eyes, I'm going to do a nose. So, unfortunately, because I've only got black socks, this isn't going to show up very well. But if you have socks that are coloured, that will show up, then you can use a black pen and you can just draw. You can draw a cross shape, that looks quite nice. You can draw a smile and a dot, or it's up to you, whatever you want to do. Okay, instead of that, I'm going to improvise and I'm going to use some string. So, here's a piece of string that I cut up earlier. I'm just going to put a bit of glue on it. I'm going to put glue all the way along. Let's trim it down a little bit actually. Just stick it down to make a smiley face. It's still too long. So you can adjust as you go along. Okay, stick it on. Might need a bit more glue actually. Obviously you guys will do this a lot slower than I am. Okay, I'm just going to hope that glue dries clear. And then for the nose, I'm just going to get a pom-pom. Stick some glue on it. Press it down. Okay, got quite a nice bunny face. Okay, then you can decorate it however you want. So I'm going to stick the tail on the back. So I'm going to get a pom-pom again and I'm just going to get some glue on it. Quite generous with the glue. Just going to glue it on the back. Like that. And then the last thing I'm going to show you, you can obviously decorate it however you want. You can put some buttons down the front, you can give it extra decoration, it's up to you. But just the last thing I want to show you is if you get some ribbon or string or whatever you've got at home and you can just tie a little bow.